Where? I'll holler.
I'll holler, they're over there.
Where are they at? Ow, ow!
That's not loud enough, James. You gotta do better than that.
I don't know what to do. You show me. Show me the way.
Too old for that, son. Couple whitetail.
Time delay.
Am I on?
Yeah.
Me or?
I told you that.
I was waiting for you. Oh shit. I gotta be off in front of these ladies.
Here you go, bucket.
Yeah, it's about to knock into a tree. I know it.
Here they come, they're coming, man. Well, they ain't look. If they was looking at you before, they ain't looking now.
Oh god.